Hello guys, hope everybody well. It's Wednesday 8th of May today. I wanna ring these two birds and I wanna put them in my shed with rest of my youngs. And I wanna just a quick video to show you how I ring my bird. Because if you new people, they ask me how I ring my bird, and personally I use this type of ring, the split ring, the plastic split ring. You can put your year, your initial, and the numbers, how many ring you order, how many ring you want. And this type of ring I'm using is because I'm not showing my bird, so I use a split ring, and I use this color one as well. Each color, for example, if I put blue, that's for first round, white for second round, or yellow for third round. So I know which one is for first, second, or third round. And I'm gonna make a video now to show you how I put the ring in my bird. This video is for those people that just joined this hobby. Yeah? If you know it already, so don't worry about it. It's just for those people just joined this hobby and they don't know anything about ringing and they don't know how to do it. So if you're new, just start with the split ring. Well, I don't advise you to put the split ring on the native bird, like a goldfinch, native bird, only for the canaries. Personally, I use split ring for the canaries. So I'll make a quick video now and to show you how to do the ring on the bird. So this is a split ring. You definitely need one of these. You put a ring on this like this. Just catch the bird and put a ring on. This is one of my red mosaic chick. So hold the bird. Don't squeeze the bird too much. Don't want to stress him. So you got the ring here. Hold the foot like this. Put your foot inside the ring and pull the aluminium thing off. Easy and simple. And the ring is on. That's one of the ring. This is young guys. I made two videos, but unfortunately the second one I didn't press the record button, so I only put the video on for one ring. But as you see, it's got the blue ring on as well. They got two ring on. Yeah, I put them in the bigger cages now in my shed. Thank you guys. If anybody know where to get this ring, just drop me a message or leave the comment below. I will send you the link where to get those ring. They're very good, like they're cheap as well. So if you want any ring, drop a comment. I will send you the link. All right, thank you.